look at what Marcos, no? Kasi nga, if you want to really see the character of a person, no? Gusto mo siya makilala, bigyan mo siya ng kapangyarihan. At nakita natin si Marcos, yan pala talaga siya, no? Brutal. Kasi yung tatay niya, no, to give that old fascist, he's a fascist and a plunderer of sweldo, yung tatay na yan. But at least may utak, no? May utak siya. At saka meron siyang pride sa bansa niya, yung soberenya ng Pilipinas. No, meron siyang ganon, no? Pinaglaban niya at hindi siya makikipagkulod, hindi siya makikipagkaibigan sa CPP, NPA, NDF. Pero itong anak niya is a watered down version of his father when it comes to intellect. I mean, that's such an understatement. Walang laman ang utak ni Bongbong Marcos, so that he's easily manipulated by people around him like Lucas Bersamin, no? I mean, that's another example of give a man power to find out who he really is. And we thought that he was honorable. We thought Lucas Bersamin was a Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, but now we know who you are, Lucas Pakaskas.
Correct.
You're my gosh, no, you're a tragedy. So this is the power that they've used, no, to destroy an entire country. Buti sana, no, Eric, mga kababayan, kung may konting serbisyo man lang sa mahihirap lalo na, no,